Hi guys, for most of the CAT exam, we are keeping the workshop online in Pune and Nagpur. So in case you are based in any of these locations, Pune, Nagpur, just call these numbers. In case you don't attend online, just call any of these numbers given here. So Monday, tomorrow, 5 to 6 p.m. online, and in Pune, 11 to 1 p.m. I'm going to keep the workshop. I will be there in Pune and online. In case you want to join the program also, you can just call this number or WhatsApp this number. Hi guys, today we look at the placement scenario of one of these top colleges in the country. So this is the campus of Lakes. Any guess which college we're talking about? Any guess which college we're talking about here? So campus of Lakes, there are I think 7 lakes in the campus. Yes, we're talking about IIM Calcutta. Fine. So I'm making this video to motivate my student कि भाई एक बार hard work कर लो, because the top 10% of batch, even top 15% of the batch have got a salary of 50 lakhs, 49 lakhs. That should be your target. And from this Monday we're launching our new program. So in case you want to join, you can just call us any of the numbers given here. So this Monday we are launching our new program, and we're keeping a demo lecture today. So in case you attend the demo lecture also, please call the numbers given here. So let's look at the batch profile of the college. So we have total 467 students at the college. Out of them, 68% are male, 32% are female. On India, average is 70-30. So IIM Calcutta is doing more than that in terms of male-female ratio. From the education background, 64% BTech, 20% BE. So total 84% of the batch are engineers. BCom 5%. BTech and MTech 3%. 3% batch is BTech MTech, so total 87% are engineers, others 8%. Work experience wise, 0 to 12 months of work ex, 28% people are fresher or less than 1 year of work ex. 23 to 34, 45% of the batch have 13 to 24 months of work ex, and 27% of the batch have more work ex than 24 months. So we can see a very healthy profile here. So every kind of students is there. Okay, now come the main part where they got placed. 32% of the batch have got placement in consulting. At IIM Bangalore, this number is touching 40%. Finance 17%, general management operations 16%, sales and marketing 14%, and project management IT 21%. So this college have the highest number of placements in the finance sector as compared to the other two IIMs. If you want to do best college in finance, then of course IIM Calcutta will be rank 1. IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad भी पीछे नहीं है, but number 1 is this college. Okay. Now we move to the main part of the day, which everyone was waiting for, is the placements. So looking at the placement scenario. Okay, the median salary is international $234,000. Domestic 27 lakh rupees. So average overall 27.67. So domestic, we look at the median salary as 27.67 lakhs. That is median. Median matlab maximum number of people have got this package. Now if we look at the average salary, 245, 28.49 lakh. Average of India is 28.49. If I add international and Indian salaries, average become 29.28. Okay. Total 520 offers by 172 companies. Now look at the main thing which I want to talk, which I love when the colleges show this data. Top 10% batch have got a package of 54 lakhs. So if you're in the top 10% batch, you're getting a 54 lakh package, which is huge. Top 50% batch, top 5% batch have got a 63 lakh package. So if in the top 10%, I mean out of 70 students, if you're among the top 47, let's say top 50 students, you're getting a 50 lakh package. Top 15% का average CTC is 48 lakh package. हाँ, अभी लोग आके बोलेंगे अरे CTC है, इन हैंड कितना होगा ये वो. भाई 48.5, 50 लाख तो पहले पैकेज कमा के दिखा. कमेंट करने जा रहा तो यहाँ पे. Okay, top 50% batch have got average salary of 36 lakhs, and top 75% average salary is 32 lakhs. Okay. Let's see if someone can help me in the comment. Anyone who can do that, I'm going to give you a giveaway gift. Now, if 75% batch is getting 32 lakh package, 100% of batch have average of 29.28. कैन यू फाइंड द लास्ट 25% को कितना मिला होगा? यू हैव टू यूज द वेटेड एवरेज का कंसेप्ट. 75% got 32.6, 32.7. 100% got 29.28. Last 25, how much will be getting so that the average become 29.28. Let's see if we can do that. So we can find out the bottom end salaries as well. Okay. So एक बार hard work कर लो यार. You are getting into this college. I am Calcutta. So in case you want to join a program, you can just call the numbers given here. So I'm keeping a demo lecture today. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture, please WhatsApp any of these numbers. They'll send you the login ID details to attend the demo lecture on quant, how to prepare for quant. Now to get into this college, if you are the open category GEM, you need to target 99.5 percentile. 99.6 कर दो उसको चलेगा. 90.5 worst case scenario, which mean 46 marks in verbal, 15 question correct, 38 marks in DLR, LR, 38 marks which is 13 question correct, 49 marks 16 question correct, and 115 marks. Total score should be 120. आप ये लेके चलो. In the new pattern exam, you have to score 120 marks to get into IIM Calcutta or the main IIMs. Yeah, OBC EWS target should be around 97 percentile. SC ST target should be around 92 to 90 percentile. ये आप नंबर अगर टच कर दो तो you are getting a call from the main IIMs. Now if I include the other main IIM as well, Lucknow, Shillong, Kozhikode, Indore, then open category 99 percentile, OBC 95 percentile, SC 90 percent. ये तीन आप नंबर लेके चलो. आप अपने अपने टारगेट सेटिंग कर सकते हो. 63 marks, 76 marks, 101 mark. Definitely getting a call from main IIMs. Again, depend upon your academic record and individual sectional performance as well. Okay.